How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can simply fix with Android the multi-touch problem. So there's multiple ways to go ahead and fix this problem, and the first thing that I suggest is to clean your screen. So you could just wipe your device with a microfiber cloth to clear away dirt, sweat, or liquid spills that can confuse the touch sensors on our device right here. The other thing that we need to do is to remove cases or thick cases or damaged screen protectors, especially tampered glass, that can interfere with the edge detection or create air pockets that can ruin the multi-finger registration. From there, you also want to make sure that you update your device to the latest version. So just head over to settings right here, navigate through system, and then just go ahead and click the system update option. So just go ahead and update your device once again to the latest version, and from there this can fix bugs and glitches within the actual software itself. You could also try restarting your phone, and I suggest to also download a multi-touch test right here so you will be able to determine whether what's the actual problem on your hardware. And so guys, from there you should be able to fix the problem. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.